Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make the most delicious mouth-watering short ribs chili. It's absolutely to die for. It's not cold here yet in Florida, but I know up north it started to get a little bit cold. So that's why I'm here with this recipe. Before we begin, if you're new, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. We are going to begin by cutting the fat off our short ribs. I'm using 2 pounds of short ribs, by the way. Just like this. Also, I'm going to remove the meat off the bone. Yes, I will be using the bones as well, but I'm going to dice up my short ribs like this into, small size. And cut it like this. And we cannot throw away the bones. There's a lot of flavor in there. So I'm going to continue trimming off the fat, dicing them up. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys how to season this. It's time to season. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil very lightly. Rub that in just like this. Then we are going to season. I'm using celery salt, chili powder, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. Also season the bones as well. Now we have the short ribs nice and seasoned. It's time to pan sear it. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, not too much. Then I'm going to place them right on here, just to give it some color, like this. Time to flip them over. Just want a nice color to it. Flip that one over. As you can see, I didn't add too much oil. The short ribs has oil, so you don't want to make it too greasy. Time for me to remove my short ribs. As you guys can see, they are looking so gorgeous and it's smelling so good, y'all. So I'm going to set that aside for now. Okay, now we are going to add in our ground beef. I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef. I like to break it right away because you don't want it to be clumped up. So my ground beef has produced a lot of water, as you can see. If you want, you can go ahead and continue making your recipe. But for me, I am going to discard all of this water and then we can move on with the seasoning. All right, guys, I try my best to pour most of the water. As you can see, we still have some grease here. I am going to add in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Also, we do have some minced garlic we're going to add in. Now you can just add everything, and I'm going to give that a little fry for just a few seconds. 1 large onion. I have 2 celery stalks, 1 bell pepper. And also I have, I'll add the seasoning later. It's smelling so good right now. Now we are going to season. I have a little bit of chicken bouillon, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, parsley, smoked paprika, celery salt, to name a few. Everything will be below, so make sure you check that out. Ooh, that smells so good. Give it a mix. Then we're going in with 2 cups of tomato sauce. I'm just going to add that. 2 cups of red beans going in, as well as crushed tomatoes going in. Maybe 1 cup should be enough. Okay, we're looking good so far. I have some Worcestershire sauce going in. We are going to add our short ribs. Oof, this is going to be so good. This is a Hearty flavorful, mouth-watering chili. Now we need a lot of beef broth so we can cook the short ribs. So I'm using 4 cups of beef broth, okay? Pour that in. We're going to allow that to simmer on medium low heat. So I might need a little bit more beef broth, so I'll add that gradually. But for now, it's looking good, it's smelling good. I know the flavor is about to be so bold and so flavorful. So we're going to cover this, allow it to simmer for about, I'll say 2 hours. All right, guys, our chili is finally ready. Now, let me tell you, it took me some time for this chili to cook, okay? It took about 3 to 3.5 hours, but the result is to die for. Look at the chili, you guys. The short ribs, so tender, smelling amazing, literally falling off the bone. I cannot wait to dive in. You see this? Oh, I cannot wait. So let me just get me a nice bowl so I can try this chili. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Like, it's mouth-watering. The bone added a lot of flavor to this chili, okay? Do not throw away the bones. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's get some broth. All right. Look at that. And of course, I'm gonna add some cheese on top, a little bit of sour cream, of course. I mean, if you don't like sour cream, can leave it out, but for me, I love me a good old sour cream. And of course, we gotta add some green onions or chives, whatever you have. And that's pretty much it. And I have some crackers to go on the side. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I will say this is probably one of the best chili recipe that I have on my channel now. This is how good this chili is, okay? The short ribs add so much flavor to this chili. This is so good. Just best believe there's another version of this chili coming soon because it's that good. Oh my gosh. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new here. Leave a comment. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.